Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long Equifax keeps negative items on your credit report. Negative information on your credit report can impact your financial life, but it doesn't stay there forever. Most negative items, such as late payments, collections, and charge-offs, are removed from your Equifax credit report after about 7 years from the date of the first delinquency. Here's a breakdown of some common negative items and their typical timelines. Late payments. These can remain on your report for up to 7 years from the date of the missed payment. Collection accounts. These are usually removed about 7 years from the date of the first missed payment that led to the account being sent to collections. Bankruptcies. The time frame for a bankruptcy depends on the type. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy typically stays on your report for 7 years, while a Chapter 7 bankruptcy can remain for up to 10 years. Hard inquiries. When you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is placed on your report. These generally fall off after 2 years. It's important to remember that these are general guidelines, and the exact time can vary depending on the specific item and the laws in your location. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA, is a federal law that dictates these time limits and requires credit bureaus to remove most negative items after their expiration. Even though negative items eventually fall off, their impact on your credit score lessens over time. A late payment from several years ago will have less of an effect than a recent one. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.